The Spire is an Offstring Yoyo that we designed in partnership with iYoYo to be the ultimate Offstring Yoyo for learning tricks. We have already started shooting our new Offstring tutorials with the Spire, and so far players really seem to love it, so let's take a look. The profile of the Spire was borrowed from the iYoYo Icebreaker, which was used to win the US National Yo-Yo title. It's a great design all around, but one of the things I love about it is that when you do finger grinds, you only touch the yo-yo at its most narrow point. And what that means is you can get extra long spins when you're doing those tricks, which means you can do some pretty amazing tricks even without wearing a glove. The main thing that we changed from the Icebreaker when we moved to the Spire was we made this wall higher. And the reason we did that is because we wanted thumb grind tricks to be a little bit easier, and we even added a thumb grind lip right here like you'd see on a lot of 1A tricks, so that when you catch the yo-yo, while it's starting to slide off, it gets caught on that lip. And that just makes your thumb grind tricks easier than they have ever been on an Offstring Yoyo. So not only does this make all of your classic thumb grind tricks a whole lot easier to learn and to perform with success, it also opens up a whole new set of tricks because we maintained the finger spin cup of the Icebreaker. And so now you can transition from your thumb grind maneuvers into finger spins to have some really long, really innovative tricks that include both. Like other iYoYo Offstring Yoyos, the Spire is actually machined. It's not injection molded. And that might be surprising because we're able to keep the price so low, right around the same price as you would get an injection molded yo-yo. Now, if you don't know what the difference is, 1A yo-yos, the metal ones that play super smooth and perfect, those are machined. And so it costs a lot more to do that with an Offstring yo-yo, and so a lot of companies go for injection molding, which works good, but it doesn't give you that same level of precision. Now, the reason that we were able to keep the price so low is because both YoYoTricks and iYoYo really loved this yo-yo so much we wanted it to be the first Offstring yo-yo that everybody gets, because we want you to fall in love with Offstring yo-yoing. So we thought, let's work out a deal where we can give you the best experience possible, and that's what the Spire is. And that's also why we're teaching our tutorials with the Spire moving forward. Now, one other thing that we wanted to be able to give to you is the ability to swap out the spacers, and we just give you those when you buy the Spire. And so there are 2 silver spacers, which are the thinner ones, there's 2 blue spacers, which are the thicker ones, and that gives you 3 options. With the 2 silver spacers with the thinner design, you can use just regular polyester string and it'll play great. Or if you like using fatter string because you like the way it makes the string move, you can use the 2 blue spacers and it works great. I like to kind of split the difference, so I use 1 silver, 1 blue, and I use cage-free string, which is kind of right in the middle of the pack when it comes to thickness, and that works exactly the way that I like. Of course, you may find that you like a different level of response, and so you can adjust those the way that you want. So again, we are so grateful to iYoYo for helping us work on this yo-yo and get it just the way we like it, and we think that all of you will love it as much as we do. I know in my own performances, my consistency went up immediately as soon as I started using these yo-yos. So even if you're a veteran, I think that you'll like this quite a bit as well. So that is the Spire Yoyo. If you're thinking about getting into Offstring, we think it's the best way to go right now.